Imagine a world where your money isn't controlled by any government and where your transactions are secure, where you have the power to send value across the globe in seconds, no bank required. This world isn't science fiction. It's the reality that cryptocurrencies are creating today. In this video, we're going deep into the world of digital currencies that are reshaping our financial landscape, from Bitcoin to Ethereum and beyond. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned investor, stick around until the end, because understanding this new economy could change the way you see money forever. We've got some tips that you won't want to miss. Cryptocurrency has become a powerful force, changing how we think about money, investments, and even our daily transactions. At its core, it's digital money secured by cryptography, making it nearly impossible to fake or manipulate. What sets it apart? Unlike traditional dollars or euros, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks using blockchain technology. Picture a digital ledger that records every single transaction in plain sight for anyone to see, yet is almost unbreakable. It's a game changer for security and transparency. But how did we get here? Just a decade ago, Bitcoin was the domain of tech geeks and cyberpunks. It's a household name, capturing the imagination of investors, tech innovators, and everyday people. As more businesses adopt crypto, and as new projects rise and fall, understanding this new digital economy is no longer optional. It's essential. Let's start with crypto coins, the digital assets that started it all. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency born in 2009. Think of it as the digital gold, limited in supply, valuable, and a favorite among long-term investors. Then there's Ethereum, which did more than just offer a new form of money. It introduced a way to build entire applications and systems on its blockchain through smart contracts. The big difference between crypto coins and traditional currencies? While governments can print more money whenever they want, most cryptocurrencies have a fixed supply, creating scarcity and driving up potential value. This has caught the eye of investors looking for alternatives to traditional assets. And as acceptance grows, from coffee shops to global corporations, cryptocurrencies are becoming a staple in the digital economy. When we talk about cryptocurrencies, we're not just talking about Bitcoin. Thousands of digital currencies exist today, each with its own purpose. There's Litecoin, designed to be faster and lighter than Bitcoin. And let's not forget about the tokens built on other networks, like Ethereum's ERC20 tokens, which represent everything from voting rights in a decentralized organization to digital art pieces worth millions. Understanding the difference between coins and tokens is crucial. Coins like Bitcoin operate on their own blockchains, while tokens rely on existing ones, bringing flexibility and innovation to the table. These digital assets are like the currencies of the internet, and they're evolving quickly, opening doors to new ways of doing business, investing, and even creating online communities. At the heart of all this is blockchain, a technology that many call revolutionary. Imagine a book where every page is a list of transactions, and every new transaction is written across thousands of identical books at the same time. No one can rip out a page or scribble over it without everyone noticing. That's the power of blockchain: transparency, security, and trust without needing a middleman. Beyond just recording transactions, blockchain is the backbone for smart contracts, agreements that execute themselves when conditions are met. Think of them as digital if this then that commands, automating everything from simple payments to complex agreements. These innovations aren't just about finance, they're setting the stage for the future of how we interact online, in business, and beyond. The buzz around cryptocurrency is more than just hype. It's about opportunity. Some see the potential for life-changing gains. Just look at those who invested in Bitcoin when it was under $1. Now it's a major financial asset. This potential for high returns comes with risk, but for many, the rewards are worth it. Cryptocurrencies also offer a way to diversify investments, giving people a hedge against traditional market downturns. And it's not just individuals taking notice. Big financial players, think hedge funds, investment banks, and even tech giants, are stepping into the crypto space. Their involvement is a vote of confidence, suggesting that digital assets are here to stay. As this interest grows, cryptocurrencies are slowly becoming part of mainstream investment strategies. Ready to jump in? It all starts with choosing a wallet, a safe place to store your digital currency. If security is your top priority, go for a hardware wallet like Ledger. Prefer convenience? A software wallet on your phone might be the way to go. Then, you'll need a reliable exchange to buy your first crypto, whether it's a user-friendly platform like Coinbase or a decentralized one like Uniswap, where you're in full control. The crypto market can be a wild ride. Take it slow, secure your assets, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. A small investment today could be a big deal tomorrow, or it could fizzle out. But with the right knowledge and strategy, you're setting yourself up to navigate this thrilling new financial frontier. Cryptocurrency isn't just about money, it's about a new way of thinking, of investing, and of interacting in a digital world.